In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome Remote Desktop app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Chrome Remote Desktop running like a standalone application, so it opens in its own clean window and is easier to access when you need to connect to another computer. This approach uses Chrome's built-in ability to install certain web pages as lightweight apps, giving you a faster, more focused experience without the browser clutter. Start with Chrome Remote Desktop open in your Chrome browser. If you can see the Chrome Remote Desktop home or any of its tools on your screen, you're exactly where you need to be. The option we're about to use applies to the page you currently have open, so make sure you're on the Chrome Remote Desktop page you want to turn into an app. Now look to the very top right corner of the Chrome window for the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu that controls most browser options. Click it once to open the full list. You'll see sections for settings, history, downloads, and more. We're interested in the area that holds Chrome's sharing and app install features. Move your cursor to the menu item labeled Click, Cast, and Share. Don't press anything yet, just hover over it. When you hover, a sub-menu expands off to the side. This is where Chrome groups options that let you send content to other devices, copy links, and importantly for this video, install certain pages as apps so they behave more like native programs. From that sub-menu, select Install Page as App. That's the key choice. When you choose it, Chrome prepares a dedicated app-like version of the exact page you have open. In most cases, a compact window will appear that looks just like Chrome Remote Desktop, but without the standard browser tabs and address bar. This gives you a cleaner workspace and reduces distractions while you manage remote connections. Once the page is installed as an app, you'll typically find an icon added to your system's app list or launcher, making it quicker to open in the future. The next time you need remote access, you can launch this app directly instead of first opening a browser tab and navigating to the site. If you don't see the install page as app option, it may be due to your Chrome version or the specific page you're on. Ensuring Chrome is up to date and that you've opened the correct Chrome Remote Desktop page can help. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the streamlined app-like Chrome Remote Desktop experience.